थानी मखाई सुजला फाउसिदा भारत सरकार अमदी मनपुर सरकारना करीमता हाइदना लैरकांदा ngasi phi thongdaba nupi ani urkandana mami pangthorokpase ngasigi manipurda lairiba miyam akoina manipurda lairiba mama oibi amadi nupa nupi puna mangna khoi yaningde state force kaya su thawai thagre misam kaya ba thawai thagre mama kaya masa kaina gre nupi kaya lukhrabi hore hujik ahing kappada mongpam da kappada mamit gi mapi kangdribani sugumbagi wayan bichardi tawdre haraga nupi ani du khatangi damakta di p3 be sin bathungna maitai jati ekoi maitai furup ekoi bu khoina singnarak badudi yaningde maitai sne ning thau pan balengak sasan tungana leijaramani achumbagi damakta khoi thawai thadokpa ki dabani dubu siba tarabasu mangjin thana marandugi damakta thawai thadokki ba ipa ipu singduna pom masane khoise aduna khoi tumina leithokpa yaroi chumna bichar tawiu ain kanun khangi ba mayam sina ain gi thabak sathabiu maitai bu to khaina thambiganu separate administration separate justice ekoi yaningde masigi pose asmaina sum tawdobo eragadi ekoi makhat aba khoina sangsalaba khongjangda ayat pathing ba
against the injustice being done to us by the Manipur government and the union government. Yesterday only our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he spoke about Manipur for the first time, and this has hurt us a lot. We know that those two cookie ladies have been sexually abused and been paraded in front of everyone, and we strongly condemn to those people who has committed those crimes, and we want them to be punished according to the law. But why we are sitting here today is not because of that. We are here because Narendra Modi ji is not saying a word about Manipur, what has happened in the past 3 months. The war or the conflict between the Kuki and the Meiteis has been going on since May 3rd, and till today he has kept quiet, and this is not what we want. We the people of Manipur, we want peace and harmony. We are all human beings. We are not demons that we would create a conflict with one another. Here we are here to say to Narendra Modi ji that we want peace and we want friendship with all the people living in Manipur. We had been living together since the past 2000 years.
करीमता हाइदना लैरकांदा ngasi phi thongdaba nupi ani urkandana mami pangthorokpase ngasigi manipurda lairiba miyam akoina manipurda lairiba mama oibi amadi nupa nupi puna mangna khoi yaningde haidana khoi ngasigi wakan phamjabani